guys, welcome back to the shop. So today, as you saw in the thumbnail, we're going to make our own braces to help stiffen up this frame and give it some more reinforcement. I'm going to be using, like I did with that other brace, the leftover 1-inch DOM tubing that I have. The other thing that I've got, I've dug through my scrap, I found this. This is, I don't know, 3/4 inch, I guess, versus the other thing is, the other tubing is 1 inch. But we can cope it a little bit and we'll be able to weld it up. Basically, this is threaded, but a 7/16 bolt will go right through. That's basically what the size of the bolts are, 7/16. So I can get some longer grade 8 7/16 bolts, and we can use those, and then we can use this, and I can cut this into about 1 1/4 inch pieces. I'll cut 4 1 1/4 inch pieces off. Then we will bolt them in place, and then I will figure out how long I got to make this, and then start kind of coping it a little bit, you know, to get it to fit to these pieces. Whoops. And then, you know, we'll tack it in place and then weld them up. So anyway, guys, let's just jump right into it, right? And let's fab up something and save, you know, $150, $60 versus buying aftermarket, you know, the adjustable style. Now, I am not going to make the adjustable style. I'm going to make the solid style. Now, granted, you can buy reproduction ones, you know, that some of the factory horsepower cars had that are like 90 bucks, I guess. But why buy them when I can make them with scrap I've got lying around the shop? Anyway, let's jump right into it. here. Just out of stuff I've had lying around. So if you didn't see the previous video, I do have a video of how to make that, basically with leftover stuff from this. Or actually made that, and then this is leftover stuff from that. So anyway, you know, a couple hours of my time, you know, I powder coated those, painted that red, and I'm really happy the way this all looked out. Everything bolted back up with just a little bit of adjustment. You know, it was kind of hard to keep the axle from moving around and try to shove the frame around, but we got them all in. And yeah, it really stiffens everything up really good. So like I mentioned, guys, even with these parts, you know, like with, if you watch the rear crossbar, I just made these with an angle grinder, you know, a flap disc, a cutoff wheel, and a welder, basically. You know, and just some stuff I had lying around the shop. So you can make this yourself, you know, and save yourself quite a bit of money. Granted, these aren't adjustable, and honestly, I don't know why you'd need adjustable ones. You know, they sell for $160 for these things, you know, or $90 for the stamped reproduction ones. And for what I had in scrap lying around the shop in a few hours of my time, I was able to save, you know, quite a bit of money by making that strut bar and these reinforcements myself. You know, and saving, okay, let's say I got $30 into all this stuff, you know, versus $250, $60 from buying it online. I'll take the $230 savings and put it somewhere else. So I hope these couple of videos helped you out. Thank you guys for watching. Those of you who have subscribed, thank you for subscribing. Those that you haven't subscribed, please do. Please do. You know, all this stuff helps me. Please comment and like and share and all that fun stuff. I appreciate y'all taking the time to watch. and comment and all that stuff. It really does help, me build these projects or maintain, the vehicles. So anyway, you guys, take care. Have a great day in your shop, and we'll see you in the next upload.